to resign my being secretary, general secretary as PLU. One is because there are some people who are in PLU who think that I am the one who is blocking their chances of getting what they want. You know, there are some people in PLU who are there for other interests. Right. I can't. You want me to mention the people?
No,
or
just
interests?
the interest.
Money. Money to con people.
Really?
Yeah. You give me money, I take you to Mhoz. But now they see it is Kabande. So you are blocking their chances of advancing their agenda. So those ones are there. They can kill you.
Doesn't that point to fault lines in PLU, a lack of the unity, lack of sense of purpose?
Yes.
Are you saying the PLU actually has so many opportunities in it?
Not so many, but you know, a weevil, just one weevil can finish the entire bag of beans. So there can be a few pockets and they become a problem. And I would want to give them chances to see how they serve. Yeah, that is my main focus now. Is I want to concentrate on agriculture, my farms, and my people of Kasando. I think I have served enough. 2 years as General Secretary.
You cannot compare that to the duration you've been MP.
Sorry?
You cannot compare that to the number of years you've been an MP or in politics.
MP, you are managing 7 sub-counties. General Secretary of PLU, you are managing a country. You don't compare them. Never, never, never. 8 sub-counties to a country. No. The other one is bigger. You do allow some other people also to, I think it is important that that position is given to a person who does not have other responsibilities, like how NRM is doing. You are not, if you are an MP, do the MP work, so that this position is given to a person who is not an MP or who is not holding any other position.
Your principal.
Not yet discussed it, but I will.
You told me you notified me.
He has kept quiet. Yeah, but we shall agree. We shall discuss. A
consensus.
Yeah, compromising situations where you say, okay, this one I don't agree. Yeah, here you. And I take his advice seriously. Yeah.